Hey, just want to give a quick example of how you can group sales orders by week. Something pretty easy to do in Excel, not as easy to do inside of NetSuite. So create your sales order search. Make sure you have some date fields and your amounts on there. And then when you bring it into CloudExtend, you can just click refresh, and that's always going to pull in the latest set of data. You could also put that search on a schedule so it runs every night, 2 a.m. so you're picking up the most recent sales, or hourly if you want to. Now this is going to drop in this case, 8,842 rows. I think we're looking at sales orders here from 2020 to 2021. Okay, got it. So now once that data is inside of Excel, you can use anything in Excel. I mean, charts, tables, pivot tables, etc. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a simple pivot table. Okay, so we're just going to drop in date as rows, and then we're going to drop in the amount field as values. And this is not what you want, right? I mean, you looking at 2021, quarter 2, and then a particular month, you want to see these by weeks. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just right click. I'm going to choose group, and I'm going to choose starting at, and in my case, I know I want to start at 12/29/19, which is the last Sunday of 2019, and I'm going to end at 4/16/21, which is the end of this data set. And then I also, important, you want to choose days as well here, and then we're going to make this 7 days. So this will drop this sales into 7-day buckets, in other words, weeks. And there you have it. There's your sales by week, starting at, in 2020. I thought it went into 2019, but in any event, 127 to 22 is 7 days, 23 to 29 is 7 days. So here you see everything broken down into 7-day buckets. And the cool thing is when you want to get the most recent set of data, you just come back to CloudExtend, and then you click on refresh and just right click on your pivot table and hit refresh, and now you've got the most recent set of data. Or you can put that search on a schedule so it's always up to date. Anyway, Excel's just another option, one that's often overlooked, but super easy to use. And you don't need to use CloudExtend if it's something you do infrequently. You could obviously just export your search, copy and paste as well. And by the way, you can also, if some users might say, well, you know what, I don't want to look at this in Excel. I really want to see this in NetSuite. Well, you can just build a portlet, drop your spreadsheet, link to your spreadsheet into the portlet. This is a different report, obviously. This is an opportunity report. All your slicers, etc., will still work. So you can still see this data inside NetSuite if you want to, but you can use Excel to do that easy manipulation. It's a little harder to do inside of NetSuite. Anyway, check us out, cloudextend.io.